Yo, what's up YouTube? Hello and welcome everyone again with this new tutorial that everyone is asking for. The only knots that every fisher need in his fishing trip. Okay, so this knot, you will use it for every single use of those. You will know how to tie this weight. You will know how to tie a hook. You will know how to tie this triple hook. And finally, this swivel, right? So it's very easy. It won't take more than a minute. So let's just pick a line, right? We will pick the end of the line, right? And we will make a tour like that. We will have to make a knot, very easy. So we just tie it like that and we create a double knot. Sorry. Yeah, we hold it like that, a double knot. So, 1, 2, and pull it like that. Very good. And tie it very strongly, and then we cut the excess of the line. All right, very good. So, this tie, you can use it for each of these pieces. So let's start with the weight. We just pull it like that. And here we go. We pull it back and then we pull. Right? So it's very easy and simple. So we just tied this weight, as you see. Right, it's very easy and simple. It doesn't take too much time. And let's use the same method on the swivel. So we pick the swivel and we keep the same knots, right? The same knots, and we pull it here inside, and then we try to bring it out back. And we pull it over again. And here we go. It's very strong and it won't cut, you won't lose your fish or anything. It's totally strong, as you see. These two pieces were gone. Now we will try to use it on a triple hook. You see this triple hook? It'll work perfectly on it. Let's make a try. So we just try to pull this inside. Like that, right? And then we need to bring it out back again. Here we go. Very easy, very simple, and very powerful as well. Again, let's try it on the hook. So we take this hook and let's try it on it. There we go. And we pull the hook back, and that's it. Without wasting time, without taking too much time and trying those complicated knots, we just use a very simple one and very powerful.